Okay. Now I guess I need to get underneath that edge, right? So get my paint tray down lower. That way I can kind of see under there. I should have done that edge before I did this. That way I wouldn't get my head, get any paint on it, or my hat. Now I can see it. I can see it pretty good. Am I a professional painter? Absolutely not. Would I want to be? Absolutely not. I don't know what I'd want to be. I can do a little bit of a lot of different things, but when each little thing is done, I'm like, I'm sure glad that's over with. I'm sure glad that's over with. Let's see, maybe I can put my hat on the other way. It's just gonna do that so that my new paint will stick to the primer more so than the existing paint. It's eating up my primer a little bit, but that's all right. I don't mind. Can't get in there with my roller. Actually, I guess I could if I ran it. I ran it this way, huh? Get enough of it on, then I can use that and just cut in the rest. Always two ways to skin a cat, they say. Two ways to do just about anything. Yes, indeed. Wax on, wax off. Okay. I'll do one more step for you. I know. You can do it now, but you might want just a little bit more direction. Just a little more direction. This is that same roller. Oh, no, it's not. I thought this was the one I put the flooring material down, but it's not. I used the 6-inch from that, remember? Yeah. I used this one to put all the primer in underneath the stairs. I was doing all my dry rot deck repairs and replacement. I think that's what I'm gonna name it, the whole series. Deck or dry rot deck repairs and replacement, or just deck repairs, dry rot deck repairs. I actually had to rebuild the whole section you saw. If you haven't seen those, go to my channel. If you're just now seeing this for the first time, you haven't seen any of that other stuff, go to my channel, find playlists, click on playlists, and scroll through the many playlists I have on my channel, and find the one that says deck drywall deck repairs, and you'll come kaboom to all of the videos that I've done showing this from start to finish. I guess, I don't know, I guess I'll include the stairs too. Redoing the stairs. That might be underneath a separate playlist. Deck, stair, repairs, and refinishing. I don't know. It'll come to me. It'll come. Just not sure what it's going to be. I'll probably include it in the deck repair, dry rot deck repairs. Include this, and then I'll probably make a separate playlist for the stairs redo. Because I did have to replace two stairs that were dry rotted, so that one I could put dry rot stair replacement or something. Oh, the sun feels really good. Yes. It's supposed to be sunny for the next 6 or 7 days, so you know, I should have plenty of time to get these stairs done. So you don't want to just go over it and leave the marks, you know, the deeper impressions. Just get it in there and bear down on your roller and push in there and get those. I want to get that all covered. Okay. That could be a spot where the mold is still dormant or still slightly alive, but hey, once you put this primer on, this is from Zinsser mold killing primer. It's called mold killing primer. What a name. You know exactly what it's going to do though, right? I was going to get Kills primer. I like to use Kills in just about everything, and I'm sure that would have worked too, but when I was talking to the guy at the paint store, well, it doesn't say this one. This one here says mold killing primer, so I would do that one before any other one. I'm like, well, okay, whatever. I mean, this one was $30 a gallon, and the other one, I guess I could hit this too, this way, huh? And then I'll finish it off. The Kills was like $25 a gallon, so it was like $5 difference. And I think if I were to read on the Kills, I think it kills, it could kill mold too. I don't know. I would have to read the directions on it and the can and the fine print, you know, that you can hardly see. That like I say, if I get just a little bit on on the stucco. I'm going to be retouching up the stucco, and I even have some stucco paint, matching paint. The last owner was kind enough to leave it here. Wasn't that nice of him? Thank you, Mr. Previous Owner. I like that. That you did that for us. Appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. And I already tried it on a little bit area of stucco, and it blends right in. Can you imagine? Right in. Okay. All right, you get the idea. Okay. I just wanted you to see the tools that I was using and how I was going about that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of this and show you what it looks like when I'm done. How does that look? Well, it's only about 15-20 minutes since I talked to you last. It didn't take me that long. It really didn't take that much paint. I put almost all of the paint in this container, and I had to pour back 3/4 of it. I still have about that much of paint. You see there? Look at that. So the second coat, it doesn't take as much on the second coat as you would normally think. It really goes on good, and because of that, I went ahead and did all of the edges and all the risers again. You know, the ones that I just had painted. Okay, so I've got it all done. Now I should have brought my cardboard down here at the bottom. I had the cardboard, I thought it was slick. I had the cardboard up there to mix the paint. Then I should have carried it down to the bottom and put it down here. Because I got a little bit, I stepped on this last step and it wasn't dry all the way. As I was coming down, I thought it would be plenty dry, but I was so quick with everything. By the time I got down here, I stepped on it and I thought, dabbity nabbit. I got on the edge of my shoe and everything, but look at this. I'm going to end up throwing these shoes away here when this job is done. So I just have to clean up a little bit on here. It's paint, it's water cleanup, so it'll be fine. Now I've got to let this dry, and we'll get ready for the next step. Oh yeah.